In the past few billion years, Earth has been pummeled by asteroids, crashed into other planets, and frozen over several times, not to mention being ruled by all kinds of crazy life forms. Sometimes, it's a wonder that our blue homeworld has survived at all. But if we want to take a whirlwind tour of our planet's history, we'll have to start way back at the very beginning. Earth has endured countless trials and tribulations over its 4.5 billion year existence. From the birth of our solar system to the emergence of complex life forms, our planet's history is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Join us as we embark on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the key milestones that have shaped Earth into the vibrant and diverse world we know today. The birth of the solar system. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system began to take shape from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. As this cloud collapsed, a swirling disk of matter formed, gradually heating up until hydrogen fused into helium, giving birth to our Sun. Simultaneously, the clumps of matter on the outer edges of this spinning disk began to come together, eventually forming the planets and moons of our solar system. The inner planets, including Earth, primarily consisted of rocky material, while the outer regions were composed of ice, liquids, and gases. The early Earth. As the young Earth took form, it was a hotbed of volcanic activity. The planet released gases such as hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, which contributed to the formation of its very first atmosphere. During this time, Earth was bombarded by large asteroids and comets. However, one particular collision stood out. Theia, a planet the size of Mars, collided with our young world, resulting in the ejection of matter into Earth's orbit. Over time, gravity bound this matter together, forming what we now know as the Moon. The emergence of water and life. Approximately 3.8 billion years ago, Earth experienced a significant cooling, allowing water vapor to condense and form the planet's first oceans. This primitive ocean provided a vital ingredient for the emergence of life. Around 3.7 billion years ago, microscopic organisms appeared on Earth, marking the beginning of life's journey on our planet. Although these early life forms were simple, they paved the way for more complex organisms to come. The rise of continents. Around 3.3 billion years ago, the first continents emerged from the ancient ocean. These landmasses, known as cratons, gradually rose from the water, setting the stage for the formation of Earth's first supercontinent, Valbara. Although Valbara was relatively small compared to later supercontinents, it played a crucial role in shaping Earth's geological history. Oxygenation and Ice Ages. Approximately 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria evolved as Earth's first photosynthesizers. Their ability to convert sunlight into energy led to a significant increase in oxygen levels in the atmosphere. As a result, Earth's atmosphere experienced a shift with lower levels of carbon dioxide, leading to a global cooling. This shift caused the planet to enter its first ice age, resulting in vast portions of Earth's surface becoming covered in ice. Changing landscapes and new life forms. Around 1.1 billion years ago, Earth's continents continued to shift and rearrange themselves. The breakup of Valbara marked the formation of a new supercontinent called Rodinia, likely the largest supercontinent in Earth's history. During this time, life on Earth became more complex, and a pivotal event occurred approximately 540 to 485 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion. This explosion of life witnessed the emergence of animals with hard body parts, including the famous trilobites. Extinctions and Evolution. Earth's history has been punctuated by several mass extinction events that have dramatically shaped life on our planet. Around 440 million years ago, during the Ordovician Silurian extinction, Earth experienced a significant climate shift and a subsequent mass extinction. However, Many life forms that survived played crucial roles in shaping the ecosystems we observe today. Approximately 420 to 350 million years ago, the first trees appeared on Earth, marking a critical milestone in the colonization of land by plants. Simultaneously, animals began making their way onto land, diversifying and adapting to terrestrial environments. Pangea and the Age of Dinosaurs. Roughly 250 million years ago, Earth was covered by the supercontinent Pangea. Pangea, this massive landmass, created unique geological and ecological conditions, allowing life to evolve and adapt in extraordinary ways. However, this period was also marked by the most devastating mass extinction event in Earth's history, the Great Dying. Around 90% of all species were wiped out due to greenhouse gases and rapid global warming. Nonetheless, this mass extinction set the stage for the rise of dinosaurs, which dominated the land for the next 150 million years. The demise of the dinosaurs. Approximately 66 million years ago, Earth experienced a catastrophic event that changed the course of life on our planet: the impact of a massive asteroid in what is now Mexico. This collision caused widespread devastation, including climate changes that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. However, this cataclysmic event also created opportunities for other life forms to thrive, ultimately leading to the rise of mammals. The emergence of humans. Around 6 million years ago, the earliest known humans, such as Sahelanthropus, began to roam the Earth. Although they still walked on all fours, these early human ancestors laid the groundwork for future advancements. 4 million years ago, our ancestors started walking upright, which allowed for the use of tools. Around 800,000 years ago, humans discovered the control of fire, a milestone that revolutionized their ability to cook food, provide warmth, and protect themselves. Over time, human brains continue to evolve, enabling complex social interactions and shaping the world in unprecedented ways. The Industrial Revolution and population growth. Jumping forward to about 250 years ago, the Industrial Revolution ignited a series of transformative changes across the globe. The transition from rural farm-based societies to industrialized urban centers revolutionized technology, economics, and culture. The global human population experienced exponential growth, reaching 1 billion by 1804, 2 billion by 1927, and now standing at over 8 billion people. Climate change and the future of Earth. While Earth has survived and thrived through numerous challenges, it faces a new existential threat: climate change. Rising temperatures, sea levels, and declining biodiversity pose significant risks to life on our planet. Urgent action is required to mitigate the effects of climate change and protect Earth's delicate ecosystems. Otherwise, we may find ourselves on the brink of another mass extinction event. Thank you for joining us on this epic adventure, exploring the breathtaking evolution of our extraordinary home, Earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep exploring.